Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the new update glitch. Yes, for those of you who are wondering how you are going to get all this pass, how you're going to get the rewards, the silver dragonfly, the tiger, all this amazing stuff that we have to claim, I'm going to show you how you can get this with a single glitch. As you can see, your new quest is in 5 hours 17 minutes, but I don't need all of that. I have a glitch and you have to watch till the end of this video to see the glitch. Yes guys, so I have a slot that I have not opened in some days, and that is the farm slot I'm going to be using, guys. That is the slot that has everything I would need to use for this particular glitch. So guys, let's begin. Let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do, as you can see, I have arranged everything I will be needing here. My harvest tool, my sprinklers, and the evolve seed. So I'm going to go to my garden. I'm going to go to my garden and I'm going to harvest something. So I'm going to go to my garden and I'm going to go to my garden. So guys, just to be sure that this thing doesn't go and add things I don't want, I use the sprinklers to block all the spaces while I go to my garden. And I am hoping that I am going to be able to plant the evolve. Aside the evolve, something else I'm going to be planting is a coconut. Yes, and I will tell you why, guys. This is something I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be stashing coconuts. Yes, guys, coconuts, you heard me. So those of you who have coconut seeds, this is the time to bring out your coconut seed. I'm going to be using the flashbang to make this coconut seed stash up together and grow together. Guys, like I told you guys, this is a glitch that works magic, but you have to take your time and watch it. I'm not going to be talking. I'm not going to be talking for so long. Let's just do it so you see. Remember guys, I'm using coconut and I'm going to be planting the coconut, all the coconuts together. I'm going to be holding it with the flashbang, guys. So I'm just going to close this immediately and go and plant it together, anywhere together. I can always, guys, I can always move it around, but I want to be sure that these coconuts grow together. Guys, I'm spamming the coconut. They have to grow into each other while the flashbang comes together, guys. So let's see the flashbang, guys. I told you guys, this is a glitch. Look at this, guys. Amazing. This is what I needed. And guys, now that I have got this, just watch closely, guys. Yes, you need to watch closely to see the next thing I'm going to do with this event. I have my harvest tool. I have all the amazing things that I will be needing. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and harvest my coconut that is all together, guys. Yes. So look at this, guys. I'm harvesting all of these coconuts together. And I also have coconuts at the back, and I'm going to keep harvesting these coconuts. Yes, and I'm going to have a lot of coconuts. All these coconuts are together, and I'm having, guys, did you see the glitch? The coconuts have to be together. Guys, these are a lot of coconuts. And if you're wondering, how did my coconuts grow so fast? My backpack, I have to go to the events place with my event lantern. I'm going to teleport there. So that, guys, what was going to happen? So let's go, guys. Let's do this. So, guys, just watch what I'm doing, guys. Watch what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing, guys. You just have to keep watching, guys. So, guys, I have to go to my rewards. So I have, at this point in time, see, I have gotten the first claim. So I'm going to claim this. Yes. After claiming this, in case you're wondering, I passed the first one instantly without any stress. So I'm selling everything in my inventory and I'm going to go back again, yes, to get all of this stuff, and I have earned the 25,000. Yes. So as you can see, I'm getting past this stage very swiftly. Very swiftly. So I'm going to go again, and I have more coconuts and more things that I'm going to use my harvest tool to get all ASAP, like quickly and swiftly. If I also don't want to waste my harvest tool, I can manually get them. I want to get everything swift, quick, and fast. So guys, just watch this and see what's going to happen, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So I'm using my harvest tool as usual. Yes, guys, this is a glitch that you will need to learn. In case you're wondering, like I said again, how did all my coconuts grow in 1 second? Because it was literally 1 second. I used the flashbang glitch, and that is how I have all these coconuts and everything in my farm. In case you did not see how I used the flashbang glitch, please go back and watch again to see what I did to get all these coconuts in less than 1 minute, because you will need all of this stuff for this particular. You can see my backpack is already filled out, and I will just go and claim. Can you see I have the blue jay already, guys? Yes. Can you see how fast I am claiming all of this stuff? In a matter of time, I will be claiming the dragonfly. That is how it is. And the faster you do this, the better. We don't have time, guys. We are running against time, so we cannot even joke with this, guys. We cannot joke with it. So I'm grinding all of this, and I'm going to be doing this and achieving all of this in a very, 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 very short space of time, guys. So as you can see, I'm already there and I'm good to go, and I'm claiming that. Are you shocked? I know you're shocked. Yes, I know you're surprised. I understand. Yes, that is why I told you that you have to use this glitch. Can you see it is less than 5 minutes and I have already claimed 3 passes. Guys, I have claimed the 4th one. I am gutted. I know. I understand. This is a shock for everybody. Yes, I am absolutely gutted like that. Guys, what are you waiting for? This is what you're going to use to get all of your passes in no time. You want to quickly do this and get the silver dragonfly so that you don't miss out of it. You can see I am going ahead and doing everything swiftly. Yes. So guys, as you can see, the flashbang glitch helped me to get, because there's no other plant that helps you as much as the coconut, because the coconuts, like there are plenty and all of that. So I told you guys, I always tell you guys to buy every seed that you get, but you don't listen to me. You see why I have a lot of coconut seeds? It has finally come to my rescue. In no time, my backpack is filled up and my XPs are increasing and increasing and increasing. So we're going to come to the end of this particular video, and I'm also going to do something different, guys. I'm going to do something different. In case you're wondering, what is that thing I'm going to do differently? Okay, let me tell you guys. I'm going to be doing a live stream where I would actually finish up every single one of my rewards. Yes, at least get to the silver dragonfly. Yes, guys, I'm going to finish all of my rewards and get to the silver dragonfly, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So guys, you need to be in that particular live stream. You need to be in that particular live stream because the more we grind for it, the more we are going to get it. And I already showed you guys in less than 5 minutes, I already have 4 rewards, and this is the 5th one I'm working towards, guys. So does it work? Absolutely, it works. So guys, are you excited? I am super excited. And also you need to claim your quest. See, completed. Quest, see, completed. And also I'm going to be planting all of this, and I'm going to be doing all of this within the next 5 hours to ensure that I get all the necessary XPs, guys. And I'm going to be doing a live video for this, guys. So we cannot sleep on this, and I'm super excited. If you are super excited, let me know in the comment section. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love this particular update. This event is just something I love, and I love so much, guys. Yes. So let's get this started. I'm super excited. Take care, guys, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I love you so much, and I hope you're Gucci, because I am absolutely Gucci. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and bye.